Removing a memory module. Attention! After disconnecting the power cords from the system, wait 20 seconds before removing or installing a memory module. This allows the system to be completely discharged of electricity. Remove the server cover. If applicable, remove the optical drive cage and drive bay T-cage assembly. Locate the memory module slots and determine the memory module to be removed. Open the retaining clips on each end of the memory module slot. Hold both ends of the memory module and carefully lift it out of the slot.